Hello, class. This is Mrs. Miller with Lesson 3. Hello, class. This is Lesson 3 in our Holidays Around the World unit. Today, we will be studying Christmas in Germany. You might find that kids in Germany celebrate Christmas in many ways that are the same as you and in some ways that are different. Our goal for today is that we can tell about Christmas in Germany. So again, I want you to pay attention to some of those traditions or customs that your family does, and I want you to see if any of those are the same as families in Germany. This book that we're going to read today is called A German Christmas. In Germany, people celebrate Christmas. And on our map over here, you'll see that Germany is right here in black. It is a country in Europe. If we go all the way across, over here is our country of the United States. And again, right up here is our state of New York where we live. So all the way across the ocean is the country of Germany. Christmas celebrations in Germany begin on December 6th, known as Nikolastag or St. Nicholas Day. If you look at the picture, you might even notice someone that looks a lot like Santa. The night before St. Nicholas Day, kids leave their shoes outside. During the night, St. Nicholas fills the shoes of the good boys and girls with sweets and small gifts. Advent is an important part of Christmas in Germany. A few weeks before Christmas, Advent wreaths are made. The wreaths are made of holly flowers and 4 red candles. 1 candle is lit each week until Christmas. Children use Advent calendars to count the days until Christmas. Many of you have showed me some of the Advent calendars that you have in your homes to count down to Christmas as well. Do you decorate a Christmas tree with your family? Well, if you do, you are following a tradition that started in Germany. So I know that some of you put up a Christmas tree, some people don't. And again, that's okay. But if you do put up a Christmas tree, it is a tradition that started in the country of Germany. The Christmas tree is very important in Germany. However, they do things a little bit differently. In Germany, the mother of the family secretly decorates the tree on Christmas Eve. When Mom rings the bell, the children come to find her and see the beautifully decorated tree. So in Germany, the mom does all the work decorating. That might be the same in your house too. It is a lot of the time at mine. So maybe in your family, everyone decorates the Christmas tree. Again, some people don't put up a Christmas tree, and that's okay too. But you might find that some of our traditions are the same, but they might be a little bit different in certain ways. In Germany, people go to special Christmas markets. The Christmas markets are filled with food, drinks, crafts, music, and excitement. Thousands of people go to the Christmas markets every year in Germany. On Christmas Eve in Germany, gifts arrive for the children. Not everyone in Germany can agree on who brings the gifts, though. In some areas, gifts are brought by Christkind. Christkind is a small blonde-haired child that looks like an angel. She wears a white robe and angel wings, and she delivers gifts on Christmas Eve. In other parts of Germany, gifts are brought by Weihnachtsmann. He is also called the Christmas man or Father Christmas. Some people say Christkind brings the gifts and others say it's Father Christmas. So around here we have Santa that brings us gifts. Sometimes we get gifts from family members too. So Santa's a busy guy. He's got a lot to do. So in other countries, you will see that there are other gift givers who help to deliver presents. So there are 2 different gift givers in Germany. There are special desserts that people in Germany eat during the Christmas season. One is called Stollen. Stollen is a sweet bread with fruit inside. In Germany, most people decorate and eat gingerbread cookies at Christmas time. People around the world celebrate holidays in many different ways. Learning about the traditions of Christmas in Germany helps us to understand more about our world. So for today, you have 2 jobs, and those 2 jobs are first to complete your Christmas in Germany page inside of your workbook. So it says lesson 3 at the top right up here. And on yours, all you are going to do is trace over these words. So the words beneath each picture match what's in the picture. So up here, there's a picture of a Christmas wreath, and the word wreath is written below. Your job is to take a pencil and just trace right over those lines. Down here is your quick check. So the first one says, people in Germany celebrate Christmas. As we found out, yes, they do celebrate Christmas. So I am going to color in the yes smiley face. In Germany, the whole family decorates the Christmas tree. If you think back, we read that the mom is the one who decorates the Christmas tree, and then the family comes to check out how all of the ornaments on the Christmas tree. Around here in your home, maybe you help to decorate the Christmas tree. So in Germany, the whole family does not decorate the tree, even if that's what you do here in the United States. I have one more job for you today. Since the tradition of the Christmas tree began in Germany, you are going to decorate your very own Christmas tree. But it's not going to be like the one that you might cut up from outside or one that you put up that's a fake tree. It's a paper tree. So I want you to think back to our holidays, or to our turkey in disguise project, where you took a turkey and you disguised him as something else. Your Christmas tree project is a lot like that. You're going to look inside your bag and find your green cutout Christmas tree, and your job is to decorate it however you want. You can put stickers on it. You can glue anything that you have around the house, cotton balls. You can decorate it with crayons, markers, paints, anything that you have around the house to be creative. So that's going to be your second job for today. Your first is to complete lesson 3 page in our workbooks for holidays. And your second job is to decorate your Christmas tree. Now, your Christmas tree does not need to be done by today. What I would like you to do is work on it, and I would like it to be complete by next week. So you have all day today and the rest of the weekend to work on decorating your Christmas tree and making it beautiful. That is all I have for you today. I hope that you enjoyed this lesson about Christmas in Germany, and I will see you guys later.